Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Milena and I love to make videos about makeup and fashion, so if you love either of those two things, you're in the right place. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up for me, show me some love, comment what you thought about the video. All of that means so much to me. It shows me that you guys are loving what I'm making. So make sure to do that. Share this with your friends. Maybe they're interested in a Boxycharm box as well. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. I post 3 times a week. You don't want to miss out on 3 videos a week. If you're liking what I'm posting, then definitely subscribe. But for today's video, I'm so excited because my June Boxycharm box came in the mail yesterday. So I wanted to do a June Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I don't know what's inside. I didn't peek. I didn't check on Boxycharm's website either, so this is a complete surprise to me. So if you want to see what is inside the June Boxycharm box and what I think of the products, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so we've got our Boxycharm box. I already took the seal off because last time I tried to do it on camera, I dropped my actual camera and almost broke it. So I did that off camera already, but I'm gonna open it. And inside, of course, we've got the cute pink Boxycharm logo and the Instagram handle and the hashtag. And then we've got our card telling us what is inside. I already see some great products, I'm so excited. All right, let's just get right into it and start the unboxing. The first product, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. It's the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. This goes for $24. And it says, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And then I also got this cute little Kylie Skin card. And on the back it says, enjoy $5 off your next KylieSkin.com order with the promo code. So that's really nice. Let's see where the actual product is. Oh, this is big. Oh my god. This is really, and I love this pink color, guys. This is one of my favorite colors ever. Ooh, okay. Very, very cute. I don't know why I just shook the box. So this is what it looks like. So it's like a water. Really cute. I want to see if it has a smell to it. I'm gonna try not to squirt any out. It doesn't really have a smell. Whoop. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. I know I'm supposed to put water on it. It's very, like, I don't want to say soft, but it's really, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's smooth. It's really smooth, dried really quickly. It is foaming. It's 5 fluid ounces, so that is pretty big. I'm gonna have to play around with this. I'll probably use it once I'm done filming and I'm taking my makeup off. I'll use this to see how well it actually removes makeup and gives me a fresh, bright complexion. So I'll keep you guys posted on this in one of my future videos. But moving on to the next product, we've got the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. This also goes for $24, and it says, the 3-Well Multitasking Cream to Powder Face Palette includes 2 finishes, Demi Matte and Subtle, I don't know what's wrong with me today, Subtle Shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. The silky smooth transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for a long-lasting color payoff. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing that I'm noticing is the packaging. I don't really like it. In my last Boxycharm unboxing, I got this Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette, and they look really, really similar. And the price points are kind of similar too, just this has 3 really, I don't want to say small, but they're not big. So I'm assuming it's like, this is a blush, this is a contour, and this is a highlight. So let's do some swatches. Ooh, they're very creamy. This is what they look like swatched. So there is pretty okay pigmentation, I can't complain. And when I blend them out, they don't seem too patchy. This, could be worse. I'm gonna have to play around with this more too. I like the feeling of them. They feel really, they're very thin. So I think these are not gonna be too crazy pigmented. If that's what you're looking for, this might not be the product for you, but like I said, I'm gonna have to play around with them. I'm especially curious about this blush. So we will play around with this. You'll probably see me use it in a future video just to kind of test things out. Oh, Lilly lashes. I didn't know Lilly lashes made a mascara. I've had so many lashes from Lilly lashes. They're the most intense, big, beautiful, like you're going out somewhere lashes, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. So this says, it goes for $24 by the way. It says an extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. Sounds fancy. Let's open this up. I'm getting a little too excited. I'm tearing apart the packaging. Okay. It's a pretty nice mascara bottle. I like this packaging. It looks really sleek. It's very simple, but it looks like it's pretty good quality. It is very lightweight. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. Yup. I think this is gonna do a good job of making my eyelashes thick. Let me see if I could zoom in on this. This looks almost like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand. Dang it, I can't get this to focus. Let's see if it'll focus. Nope. Okay, I would compare this definitely to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand. They do look similar. They have that thick, like very thick, I don't know what they're called, like bristles to the wand. So I think this is gonna do something similar to that. I am gonna have to try this out. I don't wanna swatch it on my hand because it's just a black mascara. I don't think it's gonna do much. If I didn't wear anything on my eyes, I would have swatched it for you guys, but I am going to have to try this out, see what I think, and keep you posted on that. But the first thing I'm noticing is that the mascara is getting kind of stuck. Like it's stuck across the applicator, if that makes sense. So I feel like that might make my eyelashes look a little bit smudgy, but I'm gonna try it and I'll keep you guys posted. I have high hopes because Lilly lashes are like the best quality eyelashes that I've tried, right next to the House of Lashes ones, which you know are my favorite. The next product from the Boxycharm box is from Cab Cosmetics, K-A-B. I've never heard of Cab Cosmetics, so I'm glad that I get a new brand in here to try out. And this is their lip duo. This goes for $40, kind of expensive. It says Cab Cosmetics Charming Lip Duo has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. This vanilla scented duo, yes, I love vanilla, is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own. So let's see. This is, it says Charming, so I think that's the holy crap. This is huge. Okay, no wonder it's $40. This is like the biggest lip gloss I've ever seen in my life. I did not expect that at all. Okay, so this is like a standard looking lip liner. I don't think there's anything too fancy about it. It's not like a Pat McGrath or a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. It just looks very standard, almost like the ColourPop liners. So I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand and see. Oh, this is a really pretty color. It's like a light berry-ish color. I am gonna have fun with this one. This is my kind of color. I feel like this would be especially good for the fall. So let's swatch this. Oh my gosh, dude! This lip gloss is so pigmented. Look at this. The lip gloss is literally as pigmented as the lip liner is. Oh my god. I might just put some on right now because why the hell not? Let's see. It matched my lip color perfectly. It's really, really glossy and it doesn't feel sticky. That is like the most important thing about a lip gloss to me. I don't like the sticky feeling of lip glosses. Like, you know how you can like stick your lips together and like it takes a little bit for them to come back apart because it's so sticky. This doesn't do that, which I love, and it's such a pretty color. I cannot believe how pigmented this is. Like you could literally do just these two together, no lipstick needed. Oh, okay, officially excited about this. I'm excited to play around with this, and it's a new brand, so I'm gonna have to go do some more research on this brand and see what else they have to offer, because if this goes well for me, I'm definitely gonna get more from them. But let's move on to the last product. So the last one is from First Aid Beauty. It goes for $18. It's the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. That sounds really interesting. Let's see. Ooh, sorry, I don't want this box to fall out of my lap. Okay, so this says KP Bump Eraser Fast Acting Resurfacing Body Treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin's texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. This could not have come to me at a better time, guys. I've been so into reviewing self-tanners and doing a different one every week. But if you love self-tanner, you know what a struggle it is to scrub it off sometimes. Like even with like the tan erasers, there are spots on your body that still get those stubborn patches of tan that just refuse to get off your skin and you look like a crazy person. So I think this might be really, really interesting to try for like post-tan, trying to scrub off whatever is left. Because I feel like this, if it's an exfoliator and bump eraser, that will be really, really cool because nobody likes bumps on their legs, especially when you put self-tanner on. It's not a good look. So this is gonna be really, really nice to try out. Let me see what the smell is like. It smells like something familiar, but I don't know what. It's not a strong smell, it's really, really subtle. Let's put some on our hand and see. Oh, this feels like almost exactly like that, the microdermabrasion scrub that I got in my last video. I think it was from Dr. Brandt. This feels pretty much just like that, the consistency, but this is for your body. So this will be really cool to do like a mix between the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion face one and then this for the body. I think I'm literally, all of me is just gonna feel like a baby's butt. So that will be really, really cool to try out. And I don't know if you've noticed, but it's time to take my spray tan off and do a new one, as usual. So it's perfect timing for me to try this out. I'm gonna try this and I'll keep you guys posted in the next video I post, which is probably gonna be a tanning video. And I'll let you know what I think about this and how well it works for removing bumps and working as an exfoliator for your body. So I'm definitely gonna have to keep you guys updated on this. I'm really excited about it. Can never have too many exfoliators. Those run out very quick. All right, everybody, that is it for the June 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. This was a really good box if you ask me. I'm super, super excited to try all of these out and play around with them more and see kind of what they do for me. But all of these are unique products that I've either been excited to try or I haven't even heard of before. So I think this was a good mix between both of those. Like I said about that Cab Beauty, that's a new brand to me. I've never heard of it, and these turned out really, really nice and really pretty. So I'm excited to play around with those, look up the brand and see kind of what they're about, what kind of products they have. So yeah, I'm really, really excited and I'm happy about this box. This is just a really cool way to try products out that maybe you wouldn't have tried if you didn't have this box, kind of stepping out of your comfort zone as far as makeup and skincare go. So this, I'm having a lot of fun with this. I know it's only my second month in, but I think this is a really cool concept and you're getting so much makeup and skincare for 25 bucks a month. So I think that's a pretty big steal and it's exciting. You're getting makeup every month. It's like a gym membership for makeup. So it's a really cool thing. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you thought of all of these products. If you want to try any of these, make sure to share with your friends. Maybe they want to see what Boxycharm is all about too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I post 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You don't want to miss out on an upload, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.